Okay, teacher.
Now we were, previous lesson, we started with rationalizing denominators. And I think that we did only this part, yes?
Yes, teacher. Only
Yes.
three.
And this one, I think we did with the two ways, with only root 2 over 2. And if you want, with 2 times root 2 over 2. Now, if we have kind of denominators like addition of 2 square roots, what we'll do? Here there is a definition. An expression with exactly 2 terms is called a binomial expression. You know this one. Yes? Two
Yes.
expressions whose first terms are equal and last terms are opposite are called conjugates. Like a plus b and a minus b are called conjugates, okay? A plus b, you have a binomial a plus b, and the a minus b is conjugate of a plus b, or a plus b is a conjugate of a minus b. Okay, you can write this definition to know what does mean conjugate, because you will see in math after this conjugates in some questions. It will be written conjugate. So if we have a fraction in this way, like 1 over root 3 plus root 2. So to rationalize this denominator, we'll multiply with its conjugate, okay? What does it mean? I will multiply and divide with the root 3 minus root 2. The conjugate of this one will be root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. What it will be? I will have this one times root 3 minus root 2 will be same, root 3 minus root 2. In the denominator, I will have root 3 plus root 2 times root 3 minus root 2. So do we have an identity for this one? It's written here. If I have a plus b times a minus b, it will be a squared minus b squared, yes?
Yes.
So it will become root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 square minus root 2 square. So this one will become, again, I will continue here, root 3 minus root 2 over this.
3 minus 2.
Yes, root 3 square will be 3, root 2 square will be 2 minus 2. So it will become root 3 minus root 2 over 1, which is root 3 minus root 2. So as you see, we don't have any more radical expression or a square root in a denominator. Okay? Did we understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The others, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher. I'm writing it.
Okay. I'm waiting you to write, okay? Conjugate. Did we understand what does mean conjugate?
Instead of plus, we write minus.
Yeah.
We do the opposite of.
Opposite of the last term, the second term. The first term is same. For example, A stays as A, but B, you have here plus B, it becomes minus B, okay? So we are changing only the second term to find the conjugate of it. For example, if I have this one, Salman, minus A minus B, what will be the conjugate of this?
Minus A plus B.
Yes, minus A plus B will be the conjugate. The first one will stay same, okay?
Okay.
If you're ready, when you will be ready, say that we can continue to the next one, okay?
I'm
Ready.
teacher.
It's okay?
Yes, teacher, I finished.
Okay. Now here we have some examples, and the question is to rationalize the denominators. I will do A first for you, then I will give you time to solve the others, to check if we can solve the others. I have root of 5 over 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so as you see, I have a binomial on a denominator. Yes, two terms. What will be the conjugate of this one?
3 plus 2 root of 2.
Plus root of
3
root of
plus 2 root of 2. So I am multiplying and dividing with the same one. 3 plus 2 root 2 over 3 plus 2 root 2. Now, what I will have, root 5 times 3 plus 2 root 2 over 3 minus 2 root 2 times 3 plus 2 root 2. Now how it will become? Root 5 times 3 will be 3 root 5 plus here what I will have, root 5 times 2 root 2 will be 2
2 root of 10. 2 10.
root of 10, yes? Over here what I will get from the identity, I will get 3 square minus 2 root 2 square, yes? Am I right?
Yes.
yes. Yes.
So this one is 3 root 5 plus 2 root 10, and this one will be 9 minus 2 square, which is 4 times root 2 square will be 2, yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 10 over 9 minus 8 I have. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So the result will be 3 root 5 plus 2 root 10. Okay, so I don't have any denominator with a square root. I finished my question. Now it's your turn. Don't write A, try to solve B, then I will give you time, or when I will send the videos on the Moodle, we'll see, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Now try to solve B.
Teacher Bessan is asking for if you can accept him in the lesson.
Who?
Bessan.
But he is not here to accept him.
He's in the waiting room, teacher.
Okay, but I cannot see.
Teacher, he's waiting in Stanisha's, the physics teacher room.
Oh, yeah. While you are solving, let me take attendance at the same time. Yusuf, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, bravo, Yusuf. Anita?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Alexander?
I'm here, teacher.
Eva?
I'm here, teacher.
Amra?
I'm here.
Yana?
Yes, I'm here.
Stephanie?
Yeah.
Fatih,
Here.
Kibariye,
Here.
Ringa,
Here.
Ardita,
Here.
Arta,
Here.
Ivana,
Here.
Here.
Yusuf,
Here, teacher.
Teacher, you skipped me, I think. Maybe. No. What happened?
no, Stanislav, I said now.
Oh, I'm present.
Salman,
I'm here, teacher.
you're here. Rumeysa,
Here.
Sarah,
I'm here.
Ermal,
I'm here.
Mohammed Hamza Hope is not. Besan came now. Besan, it's okay, guys. Did you solve the question?
I have teacher just a little. Teacher.
I'm full now, teacher. Wait.
Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Besan, where are you? Oh, Besan, where are you? I said.
Absolute silence.
Yeah, it's too bad for a teacher. I mean, talking here, like, I don't know. Yes. With which numbers I will multiply and divide?
2 root of 2 plus 1.
2 root of 2 plus 1, and then over 2 root of 2 plus,
Plus 1.
yes. Then what we'll have? I have 3.
Parenthesis. 3 minus root of 2 times 2 root
yes,
of 2 plus 1.
okay. And in the denominator, I have 2 root 2
Minus 1. 2 root of 2 plus 1.
yes. Now, let's see if we'll have, what we'll have here. Root 3 times 2 roots 2, what will be? Let me write. Root 3 times
Root of 6.
root 2 plus root 3 times 1. And here I have minus root 2 times 2 root 2. I will have minus times plus will be minus. Root 2 times 1 will be root 2. It's okay, the numerator. I'm doing one by one. This one first with this, and then I'm multiplying with root 2, both of them. And in denominator, I have the identity 2 root 2 square minus 1 square I will have. It's okay till here. If you have any question, please ask.
It's okay, teacher.
It's okay, teacher.
Okay.
I think.
Now, let's see what I have in numerator. Root 3 times 2 root 2 will be 2 is out. 3 times 2, 6.
6.
Yes, plus
Plus root of 3.
root of 3 minus
Minus 4.
2. I'm writing this 2 firstly, then root 2 times root 2 will be?
Root of 4.
Directly, teacher, it's a root of 4.
Yes, it will be
Step by step.
4, but to show all the steps, then minus root of,
Root of 2.
I have. Here what I will have, 2
Uh,
is 4 times root 2
4 times 2
minus 1.
Minus 1, yes. Then one more step.
so 8 minus 8.
Yes, will be 8 minus 1. And this one is 2 root 6 plus root 3 minus 4 minus root 2. In this numerator, you cannot do anything else. I mean, you cannot add these numbers or subtract them. Okay, you will left it like this. And here we have 8 minus 1, which is 7. So see, I don't have square roots in denominator anymore. It's okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
The others?
Yes.
I want to hear from all of you. If you have any question, please ask.
Teacher, can you explain it another time?
Yes, why not? If you want, okay, write first, then I will explain one more time. Okay, I will write one more time and explain one more time, but firstly write them, then only listen me. Okay?
Okay.
When you will be ready, tell me. Today we have one more lesson, but it will be at 5th lesson, I think.
Yes.
Yes, after physics.
Yes.
After 2 lessons physics.
Wow.
Today we have block lessons.
Great program it means. 1 lesson math, 2 lessons physics, then again math, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
We have lessons with numbers.
Great. It's great for you. If you're ready, tell me please. Tamam mıyız?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, one more time from the beginning. I'm solving B, okay? And listen me only, okay? Don't say anything, anyone. It will be better if you will listen me. I have this fraction, root of 3 minus root of 2 over 2 root of 2 minus 1. And the question is rationalizing denominator. What does it mean? I don't want to see any radical expression like root of 2 I have here in the denominator. So what I will do, my aim is not to have radical signs. So the rule for this is to multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. So if denominator is 2 root 2 minus 1, the conjugate of this will be only if I will change the sign here, 2 root 2 plus 1. Then I am multiplying and dividing with the same number. Now, what will be? I have multiplication of 2 fractions. So numerator with numerator, which is root 3 minus root 2 times 2 root 2 plus 1 over 2 root 2 minus 1 times 2 root 2 plus 1. It's okay till here?
Yes.
Now, I have multiplication of 2 binomials. So the rule here is to multiply 1 by 1. So first I'm multiplying with root 3, sorry. What will be? Root 3 times 2 root 2, root 3 times 2 root 2, and here plus root 3 times 1, which is root 3. Then I'm multiplying with root 2, both of them, which will be, here I have minus, so it will be minus root 2 times root 2 times 2 root 2. And here I have minus, here plus, again it will be minus root 2 times 1, which will be root 2, over, for the denominator I'm using this identity always, a plus b times a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So here I have 2 root 2 minus 1 times 2 root 2 plus 1, which will be 2 root 2 square minus 1 square. It's okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Now I have here root 3 times 2 times root 2. These two, which is without square root, I'm writing. Then I'm multiplying the square roots. 3 times 2 will be 6, so it will be root 6 plus root 3. And here I have minus, look, this one I have 2 out. I'm writing that one. Then root 2 times root 2. Do you remember when we were multiplying the same square roots? It's itself again. So it will be 2 minus root 2 over here. When I have an expression in this way, 2 root 2 squared, this means it is 2 squared times root 2 squared. So it will be 2 squared, it is 4 times root 2 squared will be 2 itself, yes? So I'm writing this one, 4 times 2, this is times, and minus 1 squared is 1. Then it will become 2 root 6 plus root 3 minus 4 minus root 2. And this one is 8 minus 1, which is 2 root 6 plus root 3 minus 4 minus root 2 over 7. It's okay?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. Who is this Elzade Vayarifi?
She is our new classmate.
I'm new, teacher.
Really?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, teacher. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Tetovo.
You're from Tetovo. Okay. I hope that we'll see each other one day in a normal classroom.
I also hope that.
Okay. It's okay, guys. Can we?
Teacher, will you be at school tomorrow?
What?
Will you be at school tomorrow?
I think that yes. Why? You will be also.
Yes.
Yes,
Ah,
teacher.
okay.
Yes, teacher.
You
we
see
have-
us.
Okay, great. I have missed you, all of you.
Yeah, teacher.
We have missed you.
We
At
have
what-
missed you too, teacher.
At what time you will be in the school?
2:30 p.m.
Okay. Okay. How many minutes do we have? 9?
9.
Okay.
Yeah.
The C and D is your homework, okay? C and D is your homework.
I did see, teacher.
Huh?
I did see.
Okay, great.
I saw.
Okay. So if you have
I
any
did,
problem, next
teacher.
lesson,
C and D.
you can ask me. So I'm continuing to the next page. Look here, we have sum of two fractions, yes? Root 3 over root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 over root 3 minus 2 root 2. So when we were adding fractions, what we're doing, we're equalizing the denominators, yes?
Yes.
Now here I will do separate. I have root 3 over root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 over root 3 minus 2 root 2. Now, here, to make an operation in this kind of fractions, firstly, I have to rationalize the denominators in both of them. So here, in the first one, I have the denominator root 3 plus 2 root 2. So I need to multiply this fraction with the conjugate of it. So what will be root 3 over root 3 plus 2 root 2 times, sometimes my handwriting is going like crazy. I hope that you're understanding. So the conjugate of this one will be?
Just minus. So the root of 3 minus
Root 3 minus 2,
root of 2.
2 over root 3 minus 2 root 2. Then I'm continuing to write this question. I have this plus, then root 2 over root 3 minus 2 root 2. The conjugate of this one will be?
Will be plus.
Yes. Root 3 plus
2.
root 2 over root 3 plus 2 root 2. Guys, one more thing to say. When you will write this one, please write as a fraction. Don't write in this way. For example, root 2 over root 3 minus 2 root 2. And I'm multiplying with the conjugate only like root 3 plus 2 root 2. You're not writing as a fraction, and this one is not correct. Okay?
Okay.
Have to be careful. Now, what I have here in the first one, root 3 times root 3 I have, which will be
Root of 9.
root of 9, or
Yes.
it will be 3 directly. We can write root of 9, then minus root 3 times 2 root 2, which will be 2 root 6.
Yeah, 2 root 6.
Over this one, the denominator will become root 3 square minus 2 root 2 square.
Yes.
We finish with the first fraction plus what I will have in the second one, root 2 times root 3, which will be root of 6, plus what I have, 2 times root of 4 I have.
Yes.
Over the denominator will be root of 3 squared minus 2 root of 2 squared. Yes?
Yes.
Are we clear till here?
Yes.
Okay. Now root of 9, which is 3, minus 2 root 6 I have, over what will be the denominator? Root of 3 squared will be 3 minus 4 times 2. Yes?
Yes.
Plus, here I have root of 6 plus 2 times 2 I have, yes? Root 4 is
Yes.
2.
Yeah.
And the denominator will be 3 minus 4 times 2. Now, let's see what we have. 3 minus 2 root 6 over, I have 3 minus 8 plus root 6 plus 4 over 3 minus 8. Then I will continue one more step over what I have here, minus 5 plus root 6 plus 4 over minus 5. Then as you see now I have the denominator same. I can add the fractions. So what will be? I will have 3 minus 2 root 6 plus root 6 plus 4 over minus 5. Yes? Am I right?
Yes.
Now here I have 3 plus 4, which is
7.
minus 2 root 6 plus root 6 will be
Minus only root of 6.
minus root of 6 over minus 5 is your answer.
Teacher, in this kind of equations, we should first rationalize them and then we find the sum.
Yes, yes, yes. We have, I think, 2 more minutes. You can write the question and then see you next lesson again. But don't leave the lesson now, okay? Please, if you have any question, ask me. Just like this, really, I can't get what, if you understood or not, or. Only I will check what is on the next page. These are the questions from the book. It's like, I think, exercises part or practice part, practice problems. You can practice them, okay? I'm not giving as homework, but to see if you have understood, please try to solve them. And if you have any question, ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
See you. Bye.
See you, teacher. Bye.
See you.
See you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.